Brody and I all weekend.
Mm-hmm. How'd that go?
Went just about as well as you could.
Thank you.
That got me, of course, big San Francisco 49ers fan.
The heck?
Summit in Tokyo, 1990. It's going to mark the only time in your entire career that you worked on a show affiliated with New Japan Pro Wrestling and Tony Inoki. Did you get to know part of it? But now we got to talk about the bad. AD will bring this up. But we do have to talk about the match that you had there with the Ultimate Warrior. On the positive side, you've been selected more for the WWF Champion. Really, really big show. Which shows the amount
Somebody is not happy. Okay, nobody beside me, so I'm going to get over here to get more of a view. Now I'm going to go back over here. Thank you for the clip.
I think.
Thank you for the clip.
It's snake-like. You know what? Am I the only one that doesn't think it looks that long? Well, that initial.
Thank you for the clip.
Snaking out was pretty long. It's not that impressive to me. And
Thank you for the clip.
I think when she measures it, they can pull on it.
Oh God.
Yeah. See, now in that photograph, it looks really.
Here. Oh wow.
Where they wouldn't let you in there when they opened up the box. Who have the kind of disability you have. Nancy! Hi, Nancy. Welcome.
Dang.
Hi, Will. Thank you.
Yeah.
Is that a bug or a bird?
So I got an issue with, I'm an owner of a condominium. We have a water leak in the building.
Uh-oh, what's going on in front of me there?
I like to talk, man. That's what we do. I mean, you know, like
Oh, no, dude. No. Oh, good. Okay, he realized it.
Which would have been the Superman game. From what I understand, they couldn't get the Superman license or something, so they just changed up the graphics, and then, you know, we're going to have just a Superman-like game without it being Superman.
See, but you never know. You never know. But call them up, see what they say. I think it's time you might want to get a new TV, and yeah, real. The FTC said Avast compromised consumer privacy by collecting and selling browsing data without notice or consent. They have made a $16.5 million settlement with Avast. And if you...
This person is a friend of Anna, by the way, that vice journalist. So I'm so tired shows the thumbnail of Leaflet's reaction to that other person's video and their thumbnail.
System compound secure. If you're heading out or locking up each night to go to sleep, and hopefully there'll be a storm, so I stay and sleep all whole night. Traditional security systems only. We got outside guys. You're missing. Can't imagine anything more horrible. Can you imagine that?
981.
With day on the golf course. A fair question. Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Oh, 981.
Hit contact. That's what Denise did. She says, my husband and I both have iPhone 14 Plus models and are thinking about upgrading to the iPhone 16 Pro. I prefer the smaller version. He wants the larger one. Do you think it's advisable to wait until September when the new iPhones come out? We enjoy watching you.
Denise called Rich.
Denise, I don't think you need to wait.
Hey, Rich, what kind of phone can I watch wrestling on, Rich?
Pros,
what phone gets the best wrestling apps, Rich?
On the new iPhone 17.
Hey, Rich, I want to...
I mean, I'm assuming, based on history, it's going to be the 17. And why wait until September when you have a perfect...
I want to do wrestling podcasts on a phone and a tablet, Rich. Which one should I get, Rich? What wrestling shows do you watch, Rich?
Because of the combination of campers.
Who's your favorite wrestler, Rich?
Right now. So
you know, Rich,
I would say go for it.
AEW has real glass, Rich.
Okay, bro. We're reading about this some type of working relationship between TNA and the WWE. Joe Henry's on WrestleMania, the whole 9 yards.
Indy Hartwell inspired, and now she's in Impact.
And my question
never mind.
was, bro,
that was kind of weird. Does he not know his lights are on?
She got a woman moment and she didn't want to react to stuff anymore for 3 months. So that's when we started again. Well, okay.
All kinds of ridiculous reasons as to why it was. Well, people weren't watching TV that night. The weather was nice. You know what I'm saying? Every time it fails,
Rudolph is doing good numbers.
They give excuses, and you're out of excuses.
Oh man, see if I can.
The show is
find
done.
that
It's
Dave
done.
Meltzer.
They ran a red-nosed reindeer, did a big number as well.
All right, go ahead, Jeff.
Holy shit!
But then they're also going to be like, so you signed an open letter, but you vehemently disagree with JK Rowling that you're going to open. Why? You know what I'm saying? It's a very... I'm going to bring this up.
G.I. Joe, bitches, go look it up.
Some of the best female cartoon characters. We got Firestar, She-Ra, Chitara, the Baroness, Ariel, April. Continue to interact with that stuff themselves that they're using to chastise others, while also being a very vocal, long-time customer of Baku, which sells a whole category on their website of
anything.
It's very hard.
I've never seen, bro, he changes emotions as
So serious, and I've been thinking about that because it's an element of
Donuts, good night vision.
just taking those.
An appointment April the 8th of this year to go review the box.
wife or girlfriend. Or whatever. And meanwhile, the dude's got his wife or his girlfriend. The son saying, hey, what's this? Let's
56 videos about me. Finding that clip jogged my memory. I think I was familiar with that because I believe Asmongold commented on it. I think.
Oh, wow. Uh-oh. Guy blew his tire out there in the road.
I see. So here's a connection. This comes to us from, well, I'm not going to say where. This is the 4 things. Maker's Mark. Right. So there are many pro. About your company? A good hunter.
Fisherman.
Well, you want to bag a deer or not?
Those dogs do not have long lives, man, because of the way their noses are and the pushed in face.
Is to erase everything that happened after Cody's regeneration.
As he started climbing the top rope, I remember. And what I would do to get a guy who's...
Do you call it the dungeon, the caves, the factories, I guess? And then it turns into a shooting stage for a while. So it kind of goes back and forth between like an action game where you're, jumping around, shooting. I love the action. Just love the concept. I love it. I wish they would release that today. I wish, when I was growing up, Clue, the movie, maybe you've seen it by now. I hope you haven't.
So if you had to look
Road streamer
in a crystal ball,
dang,
5 years from now, what I think the numbers are going to be through the roof. So this is.
I'm just hoping that because I'm going to watch it. I'm just hoping they have a good, like a good finish or something compelling to that, because I don't, like I said,
he's gonna go with